At one of London's most prestigious locations, Hotel Café Royal, the main reception desk had begun to lose its original finish. Constant use, cleaning and environmental exposure had dulled the surface over time. Our team at Bespoke Patination was brought in to carefully restore the metal, working on site to bring back its depth, clarity and reflective quality. Using specialist techniques, we refined the surface, removed imperfections and enhanced the natural finish without compromising the material. The result is a reception desk that once again reflects the standard of the space it belongs to. If you have metal that requires expert on-site restoration or ongoing maintenance, get in touch with Bespoke Patination.